Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Now we are going to deal with three small subjects. We are going to deal with text coloring, with spacing, and with quotations. So first thing that we are going to cover is actually spacing. For that, we are going to import one library called setSpace. And in order to manipulate spacing, you need key, begin, spacing, and end spacing. And now with second pair of squirrely brackets we are going to provide actual spacing. So in here, if you type 1, that means that spacing, meaning the difference between lines in single paragraph, it's going to be default. If you type 2, it's going to be double the size. If you type 3, triple the size, or you could actually make it smaller, like 0.5, something like that. So let's try it. I'm going to set to 2 and I'm going to type some text that is going to serve for this tutorial. Okay, this will do. So if I save this, and now I'm going to open our presentation window, you see that we have successfully implemented double spacing. So let's change this value to 2.7, save it. Now we have bigger difference. And what is default distance? Let's set 1. You see, this would be default distance. And now I'm going to use 0.7. Let us see. Okay, I'm going to keep these settings. And now let us use quotations. I'm going to take this part of text for our quotation. I'll make new line in here and another new line. And in order to write quotation, use a symbol left from number 1 on your keyboard. And at the end, type 2 apostrophes. Like this. If I save this code, you see we have something totally different. But now I would like to rearrange this much better. So in front, I'm going to type then this part is going to be centered. So centering, and for signing it's going to be, so if I save this now, let's see what we have. Oh no, sorry, it must be like this. First we need new line, and now I'm going to save this. Okay, this is much better. And now I'm going to make bigger distance from our quotation with vertical space. We space, let's say 1 centimeter. Okay, this is something much better. And now let us italicize this piece of text. With text IT, and you probably noticed that with this command we lost our indentation in front of this word. So I'm going to correct that with command space. But you see that command space give us only one space in front of beginning of this sentence. So for this purpose I'm going to use another command, quote. If I save this, Now you see we have 4 spaces, and if we want more we could use Quote, and now we have 8 spaces at the beginning of this sentence. Looks much better now. And now what I want to do, I want to change color of this last sentence. How to do so? For that purpose we need another package called use package x color. And now in order to change color of this sentence, type command color, and in between squiggly brackets type color, let's say blue, and you see the last sentence is now blue. Well, this is fine, but what about custom colors? What if I want to define another color? Well, you can easily do that, but you have to add one option to this Xcolor package. It is called DVI PS names. And now what you can do, you can define color with command define color. In between first pair of brackets we are going to type a name of our color. Let's say my color. Which type of color that is going to be? RGB for red, blue and green. And now we are going to specify values. Values are going to be 3 floating point numbers. So let's say that I would like to have color 0.2, 0.3, 0.7. Okay, and now instead of using blue, I'm going to use my color and save it. Okay, let's see what is wrong. Oh, typo. Use package. Now saving. Okay, there is still something wrong. Let me check. It's RGB. Typo again. Now, okay, I don't like this color. I want to change it into something more greenish. So 0.7 and 0.3 at the end. Save it again, and fine. Finally, I have something that I like. So guys, thank you for watching. I truly hope that you liked this tutorial, so please subscribe and see ya.